Hi, I'm Brianna from Bonanza, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a transaction and request a refund for your final value fees. Whatever the reason for the cancellation, if the buyer has already paid, the process is pretty straightforward. Since payments occur via third-party payment processor, like PayPal or Stripe, the first step is issuing a refund to the buyer via the payment method used at checkout. Once you have issued the refund on PayPal, log into your Bonanza account. Once you're logged in, hover over the Selling tab, and from the drop-down menu, select Recent Sales. Locate the order you're canceling and select the Send Them a Message link to inform the buyer that you are refunding the order. Perhaps you ran out of stock, or maybe the buyer requested cancellation. Once you've messaged the buyer, go to your billing statement by hovering over the Selling tab. Then select the month the order took place. Select the red X next to the order to submit a refund request for your final value fees. Alternatively, you can go to the order summary screen and select the link next to the total fee line. At Bonanza, we build tools to make your selling life easier. To learn more, visit our help pages at www.bonanza.com.